Guys, good morning. Group discussion. Mobile advantage and disadvantage and features.
So, there are many advantages and disadvantages of using. Okay, advantage, you can connect to millions of people throughout the world. Let's say there are many freelancing courses available such as Unstop and Work, Weaver and many more. A guy in USA can offer a freelancing project to a guy in Hyderabad. So this is the use of mobiles and this is the advantages of connectivity. Okay, disadvantages are considerably good as well. Like let's say the flora and fauna and the ecological system of the country is being disturbed and as a result many natural calamities have been occurring.
Actually, as you said that guy in USA can connect to the guy in India. Actually, what about the guy in USA is willing to know the freelancing course? I mean, what about it? Go to Instagram, then the so all things.
Yeah, but it is a flexibility. Like, let's say you have work in your home and you can attend a physical class. In that case, if we have a good connectivity through mobile and laptop,
Actually, then it's all those things. Right? I know some skills, and you are communicating me, and
but
you are
what I am trying to say, mobiles will increase overall flexibility. Like you don't need to be physically present there to actually create and do the job.
But you can easily communicate to the client and mobile phones are used sending emails and images which will increase the communication.
Yeah, I think this point. Like after the COVID-19 outbreak, the major companies have shifted to work from home. Work from home has almost reduced their operational cost by 20 to 35%. So that is a huge boost. They can divert those funds into like let's say salaries of employees, which will in turn increase the morale of the employees as well.
after the COVID-19, the employees are using very much mobile. That's why many people are also using. That's why actually youth also got spoiled by mobiles in those times.
Yeah, but I think government should indulge in this and include like let's say porn is gone in let's say banned in India. The government should pitch in and take more stringent actions in such way. Like many nowadays people are blackmailing let's say through mobiles and using their bank pins and all and using robbery techniques and hacking. So government should pitch in and take stringent actions again and make some fixed set of laws to counter this.
Frameworks on rules that should ban all the apps and perform highest criteria to all the apps and websites to overcome the problem. And as a customer, we must know the rules and boundaries how to use the app and how to use the internet. We must not use it for their issue.
Yeah. We can also see as the economy of India after the digital payments, this UPI thing. Right now, UPI is the most used payment method in all over the USA, let's say, and any of the major economies. It's a huge boost for India. Now, India under the leadership of Narendra Modi has actively endorsed the unified payment industry, and it has been promoting in other countries as well. Like let's say last month, Fiji and Taiwan has made a MOU with government of India for transferring the knowledge of the UPI. This will be a key sector for India in going into the considering the future.
Okay, we spoke about advantages. What about disadvantages in mobile? What about privacy? And so many are getting blackmailed and doing suicide.
Let's say, okay, let's now discuss about the different set of mobile phones. I'm taking Apple. Yeah, as you said, privacy is a key issue. Apple has provided some of the key privacy features, and Apple Mobile is considered as the most hostile and flexible devices going around.
Okay, I agree with that, but most of the people are using Apple, but some like hackers will get some Apple.
Okay, some will hack it,
Yeah,
but
privacy
yes, instantly.
privacy is not a matter. If I will come and hack your mobile and then know your privacy and
But Apple as a company is developing its software day by day so that no one can reach the security system.
okay, but then, what about actually Samsung will have some good camera, good performance while comparing with Apple, and Samsung battery is much more better than Apple.
Even camera is good in Apple.
Has many features from